Every head of sales knows this feeling. The board meeting is in 2 days, a few key deals have slipped, and suddenly you're on the back foot, defending your numbers instead of celebrating them. Not because your team hasn't worked hard, but because they needed more support and coaching from you. And with 80-hour weeks, you just don't have the bandwidth. That's the gap that SizzleKick was built to close. It brings AI coaching directly into Salesforce. No integrations to build, no complex setup, so your reps get coached individually in real time, so you can finally sleep easily knowing they're improving every day. SizzleKick also shows you where your coaching time will have the biggest impact, so every one-to-one that you run moves the needle. We know most teams don't have the time, headspace, or budget for another heavy rollout. You need something that just works, right now. Here's how SizzleKick does it. Training the AI is easy. Upload your resources, sales playbooks, competitors, and products. First, it creates a backwards plan for each rep using their existing metrics to make sure they do enough activity to deliver their targets. Actual activity is constantly monitored against plan, with nudges and reminders keeping every rep on track. Next, it analyzes your quantitative data, Salesforce activity, and key sales metrics, calls, emails, discovery calls, win rates, average order values, to spot performance patterns and what optimal performance looks like. Then it layers in qualitative data, email content, and even call transcripts from platforms like SalesLoft to pinpoint what your top performers say and do differently. The second step uses these insights to identify what would deliver the biggest uplift for each rep. Personalized, in the flow of work challenges target activity, behaviors, and skills for each person, plus daily nudges keeping everyone on track. Finally, SizzleKick closes the loop, checking the live Salesforce data to ensure the coaching sticks and the improvements become the new normal, before looking for the next area to improve. The efficiency of each rep is further boosted by helping them focus on the leads most likely to close, drafting tailored emails, LinkedIn messages, and meeting agendas based on what works best. So every interaction moves the deal forward. And the best part? You get full visibility of what everyone's working on and how they're improving right in your SizzleKick team dashboard, keeping Salesforce as your single source of truth. It's built for fast-moving B2B sales teams with up to 200 reps who want to scale consistent performance without big projects or external support. Unlike complex enterprise tools that take months to deploy, SizzleKick installs in minutes. No heavy implementation, no setup fees, and no lag time. Start small, prove the value, and scale as you grow, completely risk-free. For Salesforce admins and consultants, setup is refreshingly straightforward. Everything runs natively inside of Salesforce with optional access via our web and mobile apps. No complex integrations to maintain, no performance impact, and no disruption to your existing data flows. Security is enterprise grade, fully encrypted and GDPR compliant. The results? Higher activity levels deliver more pipeline. Better conversion rates mean more wins. And bigger average deal sizes equals more revenue. You go from firefighting to predictable, repeatable results. And finally, walk into that board meeting with total confidence. SizzleKick, built for Salesforce, built for growth. Choose your top performer and the 2 other team members you'd most like to see improve and see the results for yourself. 100% free, get started now by visiting our AppExchange listing.